If you love saving some money on home decor and even some fashion and some beauty products, you're gonna love today's video. Hey there, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com. I love a bargain. I know you do too. I am going to share with you my top favorite Amazon products that I use in my home. Plus, I'm also gonna kind of step outside my comfort zone and share some fashion and beauty items that I love as well. A lot of these items are on sale today, so if they are, I will make sure to note that down in the description box below. I'm gonna link to all of the items on Amazon Canada as well as Amazon US. Let's get started. First things first, I highly recommend that you get an Amazon Prime membership. I will link in the description box below or in the comments below how you can get a 30-day free Amazon Prime trial in the US or in Canada. My first favorite product is the Keurig K-Iced machine. I love iced coffee. What I usually do is use my regular coffee machine, so my Nespresso, to make it. However, it melts that ice right away. So what I love about the Keurig K-Iced machine is that it starts brewing the coffee hot to get that perfect taste for the coffee, but then the temperature goes down so that the actual coffee that comes out isn't as hot as usual, so it's not melting your ice so quickly. So this is perfect for those iced coffee summer drinks. I also really like the Keurig milk frother. I have the Nespresso one. The Keurig one is just as good, also has the hot and cold settings, makes that creamy, smooth milk, whether it's dairy milk or other, to top your iced coffee or your hot coffee with. Highly recommend this product. Next Amazon item that I'm obsessed with is the Ninja kitchen system. So this comes with the blender, the chopper, and the little smoothie cups with their own little blender inside. I got mine last year on Amazon Prime Day, and it is the best blender and chopping system that I've ever had. I don't know why I didn't get this sooner. My girls love to make smoothies all the time, so this blender makes smoothie making extra quick. I'm also a big fan of the Google Nest. Now, we have these in all of our vacation rentals, and they're really handy because we're able to check the temperature on the fly from our mobile devices, which is extremely important when you have rentals, to make sure that your guests aren't kind of fiddling with the system, and also just to make sure the house isn't getting too hot or too cold when you're away. I find it really easy to use, and I just have a little sign above the thermostat for our guests to know exactly how to use it. Very intuitive and user-friendly. The Zinnis Green Tea Cooling Gel Memory Foam Mattress. You've got to get this one. We also have this one in our vacation rental, and I have been looking at mattresses for years and years, so I know my mattresses, especially as a vacation rental host. This one is my favorite one that I've ever found. So I find it to be very comfortable. I do find it to feel cool, which is especially important in these hot summer months that we're in right now. And it is affordable compared to pretty much any other mattress that I've seen. It comes shipped in a roll. You open up the bag, it springs out. I would recommend getting the 12-inch thick one. I find that that one is the most comfortable out of all of them, and it's definitely worth the little bit of extra money. If you are looking for the softest, squishiest, most luxurious feeling hotel style pillows, these ones are it. I will link them in the description box below. I've used them for our vacation rentals and guests rave about them. They are so affordable, but they are a fantastic feeling. I'm never going to buy another type of bed pillow again. Another favorite Amazon find, and these ones come in a variety of different colors and sizes, are these cotton rope baskets. I think they look so organic and beautiful. I have them up here in our entry, and they're really great for storing all sorts of items that you don't want to be seen. So in this one, I have some coffee pods and snacks for our rental, and I think they look fantastic in this sort of honey brown and white color. This home item is a little bit of a quirky one, but you will find it so useful. It's these furniture repair kit markers set. So it comes with the markers. It also comes with these little wax crayons. One of our guests decided to cut on our countertops, which we didn't love. So I had to repair one of the scratches with the markers. What I recommend to do is starting from the lightest color, even though they each have their own wood colors on the marker. Just start with the lightest color, test it out on your countertop, and you basically just color it over the scratch, wipe away any excess, and to me it looks really good. So this is a great thing to use if you have scratches on your wooden cabinetry, your wooden furniture, and things like that. Also have to mention these cute little Amazon bubble cups. I use them for my iced coffee. My girls use them for their juice and smoothies. Very cute, very affordable. They're both on Amazon Canada and on Amazon USA. And like everything I'm mentioning in this video, I will link them in the description box below. Now, I get asked a lot about the clothes that I wear on my videos, and I do admit to being a little bit of a fashionaholic. I do like clothing. I find it fun just to experiment with different styles, colors. I love colors and just kind of, you know, showing things that you can wear on this sort of body, this petite, curvy sort of body. This dress is from Amazon and I love its boho style. It's extremely, extremely comfortable. Comes in a variety of colors, but of course I love this turquoise / teal one with the flowers. You can find it on Amazon Canada and on Amazon US in a variety of colors and patterns. I feel like this is the dress of the summer, easily worn into the fall as well. Speaking of dresses, I also love this shirt dress that I found on Amazon. I wore it traveling last week. It was so comfortable and amazing. Looks great on a curvy body, on all sorts of different bodies, really. It's just a very flowy, lightweight kind of dress. Easy to throw on and go on a date night, go to brunch, travel with, rolls up nice and easy in the suitcase, and I love this one. Comes in a variety of different colors. If you're looking for kind of a mom uniform or some casual wear, these biker shorts are the softest shorts I have ever tried in my life. They're buttery soft. They feel so comfortable. They're affordable. They come in a pack of 2 or 3. Definitely recommend. And then I also love these crop tank tops. I prefer the long crop because it covers me right to the shorts. So I can wear the shorts with these crop tank tops. The crop tops are really ribbed and thick, and they're also very soft. You can buy them in a pack of 3 and they come in a variety of different colors. Really nice for the summer, and you could also wear them under things into the fall and the winter as well. If you want to throw something on over top of these, I like these by themselves for maybe working out or doing chores, but if you want to go out and about, I love this linen look shirt. This one's also from Amazon, of course. It has these cute little rolled up sleeves, and it looks really chic over top of this shorts and cami. Really nice and lightweight, and would also make for a great swimsuit cover up. My daughter convinced me to get this belt bag. They're the latest thing, and I know they kind of remind me of fanny packs from back when I was like maybe in grade 3 or so, but I gotta admit they're super handy. And this one's really good for just errands out and about. Also for traveling, I find it really handy to keep everything right on me for traveling. Nice and safe, easy to grab everything, affordable, and it looks like an expensive designer bag, but it's not. It is so much more affordable, and it comes in a variety of colors too. I also love these chunky gold earrings. They're so pretty. Also a designer dupe for a lot less, and I feel like they just elevate any outfit you put on, whether it is that biker shorts and cami set or a little dress like this one. They kind of just add that extra oomph to your outfit. I also have some other gold hoops. These ones are hoops that are a bit smaller and more delicate. I've worn these for a couple years as well, and they're definitely one of my favorites too. Also love these pillow slides, these shoes, really easy to wear, so budget friendly. You won't believe the price of them. Again, I'll link that down in the description box below. Definitely the icing on the cake to the mom outfit. As far as some of my favorite Amazon beauty supplies, I love this Sky High mascara from Maybelline. I think I first found it on TikTok. Someone shared it on TikTok. My lashes are a little bit thin, on the thinner side. I usually wear fake lashes if I want a bit of oomph, but I'm wearing the Sky High today and I really like it. I think it makes my lashes look a lot longer and thicker than it is. Has a really nice thin little wand, so you can get at those little baby lashes on the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye. I'm also a huge CeraVe fan. I like all of their skincare just for its price. It's very affordable, and I find that it also works really well on my skin. So I love their foaming cleanser that they have. Makes my skin feel fresh, rejuvenated. And then I also like this hydrating serum. So this one's really good for after you wash your face in the morning and before you put on your foundation, your makeup. I find that it gives your foundation a nicer, smoother finish. Now onto a few of my favorite tech items from Amazon, and I'm kind of speaking through the lens of my daughter. These are all things that they love. So if you are looking for early Christmas presents, if you're looking for birthday presents, if you're looking for some back to school items, these might be some of the things that your children are enjoying as well. Or of course you might want to get them for yourself or for friends and family. First one is the Instax Mini. This is a little Polaroid camera. My daughter is obsessed with this thing. She likes to take it traveling. This one is on sale on Amazon this week. I will link it down in the description box below. And then the other thing that I think is such an amazing, unique gift for kids or for anybody in your life is this smartphone printer. So when you use it, it looks like you have Polaroid pictures, but you're actually just printing pictures from your phone onto the Polaroid paper. So super cute for scrapbooking and journaling and just as a gift. Also, I'm a huge fan of my Fitbit. Had it for several years. Mine is the Fitbit Versa. It's a bit chunkier, a bit bigger, has a few more options, but there's also this one, the Fitbit Luxe, that Amazon has right now. I have my eye on this one too. It's a little bit more discreet, smaller, has a beautiful band. I love being able to track my steps, make sure I'm drinking my water, getting the right sleep, and this helps me with that. So those are all my current Amazon favorites. Like I said, so many of them are on sale right now. Check out the links in the description box below to shop. I also have a dedicated Amazon shopping page on my blog, thediywaymommy.com/Amazon. If you want to see more of my favorite Amazon picks specifically for the kitchen to make your kitchen look luxurious and high-end, I'm going to link that video right up here.